So guys, here you can see about more DSA video has been came on the channel of the CodeWithPk, and in today's channel I am telling you with the inter DSA how to find the closest pair from two sorted arrays. So yeah, we are telling you about it and you about what are the uh, find the closest pair from the two sorted arrays. So yeah, we are looking for it. I'm telling you it. So now let's move to computer screen and let's talk about what is the this is the Array Dsa. So now let's move to computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of the Python DSA, we are finding the closest pair from two sorted arrays. So yeah, in today's video, I'm explaining you it. So now let's start. Given two arrays, ARR1 and ARR2, and the number x, the one task that will give me is to find the pair ARR1 square bracket I plus ARR2 square bracket j, such that absolute value of a square bracket ARR1 plus ARR2 minus x is minimum. So this one example that has been given me. In this example here we write ARR1 square bracket equals to 1457, and then in this example we write ARR2 equals square bracket equals to 10, 20, 30, 40, and then in the x integer here you write 32. So the output will become 130. Okay, 1 till 30. Why? 1 till 30. I will be explaining you this question in the upcoming video. Sorry, not in upcoming, in this script. Okay, so I will tell you. So this one more example that will give me ARR1 square bracket equals to 1457, and then ARR2 square bracket 10, 20, 30, 40, and then here we write x equal to 50, means that here we write our x, and then in the integer here we write here I create one integer by the name of x, in which we write 50. So it will give you the output 7 till 40. Okay, so why, let me tell you. Now find the closest pair from the two sorted arrays using natural loops. Now a simple solution is to run two loops. The outer loop considers every element of the first array, and the inner loop checks for the pair in second array. We keep track of minimum difference between AR1 square bracket I plus AR2 square bracket j and our integer x. Find the closest pair from two sorted arrays using two pointer technique. Below is the idea. Here in this it give me the one idea to solve this problem is 0 rounded bracket and time for using following steps. Like first, merge the given two arrays into an alloxary array of size m plus n using the merge process of merge sort. While merging, keep another Boolean array of size m plus n to indicate whether the current element is merge array is from AR1 square bracket or AR2 square bracket. Number 2, consider the merge array and use the linear time algorithm to find the pair with the sum closest to x. One extra thing, if I told you one extra thing, we need to consider only those pairs which have one element from AR1 square bracket and other from AR2 square bracket. We use the Boolean array for this purpose. We also use the Boolean array for this purpose, and Boolean array means true and false. Can we do it in the single pass and 0, 1 extra space? Now, if I give the idea is to start from left side of one array and right side of another array, and we use the algorithm same as step 2 of above approach. Step by step approach. First, initialize a variable diff as infinite. Diff is used to store the difference between pair and x. We need to find the minimum diff. Number 2, initialize two index variables I and r in the given sorted array. Like A initialize the first to the leftmost index in AR1 semicolon, then I equals to 0, and B initialize the second rightmost index in AR2 semicolon, r equals to n minus 1. loop while I less than len dot ar1 and r greater than equal to 0. A. If abs rounded brackets ar1 square bracket I plus ar2 square bracket r minus sum less than diff, then update diff and result. B. If rounded bracket ar1 square bracket I plus ar2 square bracket r less than sum, then I plus plus. Number 3, else number C, else R minus. Print the result. Now, here it gives me the one below implementation of the above approach. So let's implement this codes. Okay. So let's copy this code. So now here we copy this code. So the output will become the closest pair is 7, 30. Let me show you. So I'm running this code in my Rapid. Like you all know, we are using the Rapid to run this code, and we are running this in the C++. Okay, because these are the C++ code. That's why we are running in the C++. We create one C++. So let's run it. So here it is giving me the closest pair 730. Here this one driver program to test the above function, and here we print the result, and then here we move to the greater side, and then here we, if the sum of this pair is more than x, move to the smaller side, and this one here we found the closest, then update. Here you can see it is giving me the closest pair is 7 and 30. So the closest pair is 730. So here you can see it. If I write there 8, and if I change the numbers like 1 4 1 5 6 7, now 20 30 40 and then 50. So let's see the output now. So now the closest pair, it is giving me 7 and 30, of course. Here you can see it. So now let's come on it here. Time complexity O1 and velocity space O1. Find the closest pair from two sorted arrays using binary search. Since the two input arrays ARR1 and ARR2 are sorted, the comparison of the sum of the current pair with X essentially performs a binary search on the input array by removing the left or right index based on the comparison result. The function implicitly divides the input array into two halves at each iteration, and therefore performs a binary search on the input array to find the closest pair. So this one code has been given me. So let's run this code on this. So now these are the codes in the of the C++. So let's run this. So these all the code. These are many codes. Okay. So let's copy it. So the output will become same like 7 and 30. The closest pair is 7 and 30. So let's run it. So now here you can see the closest pair is 7 and 30. Time complexity OM log n, as we are dividing arrays using binary search, where velocity space 0 1. So here you can see in today's video I talk about in the DSA array part 17 how to find the closest pair from two sorted arrays. Okay, ARR1 and ARR2. So here you can see it, and we successfully completed our part 17 of this video, so of the Array Dsa. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please like this video, share, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to all the notification bell also, so now about these type of videos on this channel. So the part 18 will become very soon as possible, so get ready for it. So but anyways, let me meet you in the next class, and next very amazing class of this type of videos. So now for today, goodbye.